morning, dear students. I am Ms. Navida Sheikh from Brahan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika MCGM virtual class. I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's session, we'll be learning something new and interesting from a science textbook. So let's get started. Good morning, dear students. I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's class, we will be continuing with the next part of the chapter that we started a few weeks back, that is food preservation. Now this is the third part of this video of this chapter, so please see to it that you haven't watched the first two videos. Please do go and watch those two videos in order to understand this video properly. Okay, so before we move on to a few more methods of food preservation, we will first understand and quickly revise why do we need food preservation. Let's watch that and then continue ahead with a few more methods of food preservation.
Food preservation. Food. Food contains all nutritive elements to the body growth and development. The nutritive elements are carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids, etc. Food preservation. It is a method of preserving food from spoiling caused by microorganisms known as food preservation. Examples: Clostridium botulinum, Listeria monocytogenes, Lactobacilli, Bacillus thermospecta. Importance of food preservation: to remove and kill pathogens, to improve food quality, to remove moisture, to improve life shelf of foods, etc.
Let us now understand about food preservation methods. By now, up till here, you have understood what is the meaning of food preservation, why do you need it. Now we will be learning about the methods of preservation of food. Okay, so this is very interesting. Let's get started. The next, a very interesting one that everybody must have used it in their houses, method of food preservation is cooling and freezing. ठीक है, you have your food items in your house. You normally keep, if you have a fridge in your house, you what do you do is you keep the food items in your fridge. ठीक है, sometimes you even freeze them. Like if you get non-veg items, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसे freeze कर देते हैं ताकि हम लोग उसे बाद में भी इस्तेमाल कर सकें. So cooling and freezing is a very interesting method and an easy method also. Cooling and freezing are the most common forms of food preservation. Cooling slows down the action of microorganisms, thus it takes longer to spoil the food item. It allows fruit from different parts of the world to appear on our supermarket shelves also. ठीक है, तो हमारे यहाँ पर जो fruits मिलते नहीं, जैसे like kiwi, there is dragon fruit, kiwi, these are fruits that are not grown in India. ठीक है, इंडिया का फ्रूट नहीं है, those are called as exotic fruits which are coming from the other countries. ठीक है, तो ये दूसरी कंट्री से इंडिया तक कैसे आते हैं? They are cooled, they are brought in a cool boxes and they are stored properly. उसे फ्रीज किया जाता है, कूल किया जाता है, उसे मेंटेन किया जाता है टेम्परेचर को, और फिर उसे हमारे यहाँ पर सुपरमार्केट्स में डिलीवर किया जाता है और वहां से हम लोग यूज करते हैं उसे. ठीक है, खरीदते हैं. At freezing temperature, microorganisms become inactive. तो क्या होता है जब कोई चीज को फ्रीज कर दिया जाता है तो जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स है वो इनएक्टिव हो जाते हैं, तो जो फूड है उसे वो लोग खराब नहीं कर पाते. So if the food is frozen, it doesn't get spoiled. You must have noticed in your house also कि अगर हमारे घर में आइसक्रीम है, ठीक है, आइसक्रीम को हम लोग कितने भी दिन फ्रीजर में रखेंगे तो वो खराब नहीं होती. क्यों? बिकॉज उसके अंदर जो टेम्परेचर है, फ्रीजर के अंदर का जो टेम्परेचर है, वहां पर वो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स को ग्रो होने ही नहीं देती. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स कैनॉट, देयर आर मोस्ट ऑफ द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म व्हिच कैन नॉट ग्रो एट सच टेम्परेचर. ठीक है, तो जब वो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स वहां रहेंगे ही नहीं तो वो लोग खाना खराब नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, सो फ्रीजिंग वाज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड ऑफ फूड प्रिजर्वेशन. Freezing and cooling are the best methods of food preservation. Cooling and freezing helps in stopping the growth of bacteria present in raw materials. Their growth slows down at low temperature. ठीक है, तो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स अच्छी तरीके से ग्रो नहीं कर सकते at low temperatures. Food like meat, fruit and vegetables are kept in the refrigerators. Freezing is a process of chilling food to at least 0 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be used with all food items. Through freezing, it not possible in the freezer compartment of your refrigerator, where the temperature is typically much warmer, between 10 degrees to 32 degrees. Okay, it is a very easy method जो हमारे घरों में हम लोग स्टोर करते हैं वहां पर भी that is also called freezing. That is also one of the methods of preserving the food. Apart from that, जो बाहर की कंपनीज जो करती है, हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कंपनीज है जो फूड आइटम्स को फ्रीज करती है एंड देन दे एक्सपोर्ट इट फॉर देयर सेलिंग. ठीक है, बाहर बाजार के लिए उसे यूज करने के लिए, उसे बेचा जाने के लिए उसे बराबर से स्टोर करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. Like if you are eating, there are various items like cheese, then there is ice creams and there are peas, fish, मीट. ये सारी चीज़ों को अच्छी तरीके से अगर फ्रीज करते हैं तो उसे एक्सपोर्ट करने में भी आसानी होती है और वो खराब नहीं होता. ठीक है. The next and a very important method of food preservation is boiling. Boiling हम लोगों ने हमारे घर में भी देखे होंगे, करे भी होंगे. That is, as food is heated and cooked. जब हम लोग खाने को हीट करते हैं और पकाते हैं तो जो हीट है उससे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स मर जाते हैं. ठीक है, so the heat kills the microorganisms. Boiling kills most bacteria. However, those not affected by the heat will grow when the conditions are suitable. ठीक है, तो जब भी हम लोग दूध जब गर्म करते हैं, ठीक है, तो दूध गर्म करने से क्या होता है, दूध के अंदर जो भी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स प्रेजेंट है वो मर जाते हैं. बट ये माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स अगर ये टेम्परेचर फिर से कम हो जाएगा ना, तो ये फिर से माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स ग्रो होने के चांसेस होते हैं. ठीक है, तो बॉइलिंग इज ऑल्सो अ वे ऑफ रिमूविंग द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, बट यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल कि हम लोगों को फिर से वो खाने को, वो चीज को वापस से बॉईल करना चाहिए ताकि जो वापस से माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स ग्रो हुए हैं उसमें वो मर जाएंगे. Bottling and canning means bottling and canning are processes of preserving food by heating and then sealing it in an airtight container. ठीक है, the food is boiled to kill microorganisms and then sealed to prevent other microorganisms from getting in. The fruit drinks that you have, normally जो हम लोग आप जूस पीते हो या फिर आप लोग जो कॉर्न खाते हो, तो ये सारी चीजें क्या होती है ना, इन्हें अच्छी तरीके से बॉईल किया जाता है. ठीक है, ताकि जो भी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म उसके अंदर प्रेजेंट है दे गेट किल्ड. वंस द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर किल्ड, व्हाट डू दे डू इज दे पुट दैट आइटम इनटू द कैन्स और द बॉटल्स एंड दे क्लोज इट प्रॉपर्ली. सील कर दिया जाता है ताकि दूसरे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स वापस से एंटर ना हो उसमें. ठीक है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड बॉटलिंग एंड कैनिंग ऑफ फूड आइटम्स. The next is pickling. Pickling means जो pickle बनाते हैं हम लोग घर में, that is one of the methods of preserving food items. Food preservation के अंदर ये एक बहुत important चीज है जो आप लोगों ने घर में भी नोटिस करे होंगे, आप लोगों ने खाए भी होंगे. Pickling food in vinegar or other acids make it difficult for microorganisms to live. Now जहाँ पर बहुत नमक होता है या फिर यहाँ पे बहुत शक्कर होती है, विनेगर है, तो ये सारी जगहों पर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स ग्रो नहीं कर पाते. ठीक है, दीज आर नॉट गुड आइटम्स फॉर द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. सो इट डू नॉट ग्रो वेयर यू हैव मोर अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्ट, इफ यू हैव मोर अमाउंट ऑफ ऑयल, ठीक है, शुगर, तो इसमें माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाते. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द effective method of food preservation. So commonly pickled food includes onions, chilies, soya beans, and various types of vegetables as well. Sugar can also be added in pickling. Fruits such as nutmegs, mangoes, and cherries, they are also stored by using sugar. The concentrated sugar solution used draws water from the fruit, thus preventing the growth of microorganisms. Salting is one more method, that is, in case if you put the pickles, and if you have too much of, if you add salt to it, it will not get bad, it will not get spoiled. Tamarind, amla, lemon, raw mangoes, fish, etc. are preserved by using this process. ठीक है. So if I'm talking about pickle, so pickles के अंदर बहुत सारे vegetables है, chilies है, lemon है, fruits, vegetables भी होते हैं जिसे हम लोग store कर सकते हैं easily with the method of adding salt to it or vinegar to it, sugar to it. Such items also they also kill the microorganisms, and they do not allow the microorganisms to grow. I hope this much is clear to all of you.
Food preservation, processing of food to prevent their spoilage and to retain their nutritive value for long periods is called food preservation. Preservation of food helps us in the following ways. It reduces the food wastage, increases the storage period, helps to transport food to distant places, helps to store food for seasons when they are not available. Now, let us discuss about some methods to preserve food. Canning. By canning, food can be preserved for a long time, but flavor is affected. In this method, food is heated to high temperatures to kill the microbes and spores. It is then sealed in cans or other airtight containers. Drying. This method is used to preserve vegetables, fruits, and some meats. In this method, water is removed from the food so that the microbes die as they cannot live without water. Curing. In curing, salts or smoke are used to remove water and kill microbes. During smoking, the food is held over a wood fire. This kills the bacteria and molds and gives the food a delicious flavor. For salting, the food is either soaked in salt solution or salt is rubbed on it. The salt draws the water out of the bacterial cells, thus killing them. Pickling. In pickling, vinegar or oil is used which kills the microbes and protects the food. Oil prevents the growth of bacteria. Jam making. Sugar syrup is used to preserve food because sugar prevents the growth of bacteria. Jams stay for a long time without getting spoiled due to the sugar syrup in them. Pasteurization. Milk is heated to 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds and then cooled rapidly to 10 degrees Celsius. This kills bacteria which causes diseases. The milk is stored in sterilized bottles or cartons and then sealed. Deep freezing. Food can stay for a few weeks in deep freezers without getting spoiled because temperatures of -18 degrees Celsius or 0 degree Fahrenheit or below can stop bacterial growth. But when the temperature rises again, the bacteria become active and multiply. This spoils the food. Aseptic packaging. The food product is sterilized and then packaged in sterilized containers. This process is called aseptic packaging. Milk can be stored in this way for 6 months without refrigeration.
I hope with this part of the chapter is quite clear to all of you all. We have completed the chapter. Please see to it that you'll go through the video again. If you have any doubts and queries, you can leave a comment and ask the queries that you have. We will try and answer you back. And please be home and stay safe. If you are home, you will be safe, and you will be able to watch more videos and learn new and interesting things. Till then, thank you. If you liked the session, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can share and view the videos that we had today for you. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you remain updated with all the latest videos that we'll be making for our dear students. This session was quite useful to you. In the next coming period, we'll learn something new and interesting. Till then, thank you.